It happened to you to have read that a peer-reviewed journal is looking for editors. But being in academia, you may have also sometimes read or heard that a PI or a professor is editor of a peer-reviewed journal. So being an editor means to have a proper job with its own salary, or being an editor is an extra duty of an academic professional. Welcome back to my channel Science Manuela, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Dr. Manuela Marescotti, and this is a new episode of my podcast about scientific publishing. If you would like to hear more about the world of academic publishing, to either pursue a career within this system or just to improve your experience in submitting papers, this is the right podcast for you. If you would like to hear the answer to my opening question, watch the video until the end. During this relatively short video, I would like to answer my opening question talking about two discussion points emerged from the interviews that I have done to peer-reviewed journal editors published in the past weeks on this channel. You may find the links to these interviews in the description of this video. I would like to address my question focusing on the debate I had with Dr. Raghavendra Palankar, editor of Nature Nanotechnology, and Dr. Manuel Breuer, who is editor of Communications Biology. Different journals, different peer-reviewed journals have different structures. They have editors involved, but these may have different involvement within the journal. What you will always find in a peer-reviewed journal is an editor-in-chief, a person with a managing role on the journal, and that has more or less an involvement in handling papers. A team of editors, associate or senior, who in general handle papers and that who are involved in the final decision on that paper, revisions, acceptance or rejection. Finally, you will always find the involvement of reviewers, who are people external to the journal, expert of the fields related to the manuscripts received to the journal, and that they make recommendation about the papers. These are the people that are practically always involved in the peer review of papers. What you will find different among different journals is, first of all, the type of tasks the editors are involved, how much are committed in changing, editing a paper, in which aspects they can edit a paper, but also if these are people just working for that journal, or if these are people working within academia and that help a journal in handling papers. You will see in the two interviews I mentioned that even journals like Nature Nanotechnology and Communications Biology, who are part of the Nature family, have different models. You may find models that are made of editors fully working for a journal, models that are mixed, where you will have both editors fully working for the journal but also the involvement of academic people handling papers, and lastly models where the editors handling the papers are mainly academic people. You may find these for the journal Brain Communications, where you can find this information. In general, on each website of these peer-reviewed journals, you may find a menu about the journal. Within that, you may find about editorial board, editorial team, about editors. It will be very straightforward. In there, you will find the list of the people, of the editors involved in that journal. If you see that the editor has an affiliation, an academic affiliation, this means that that editor is an academic person. To address the opening question, you can find both kind of rules. Editors then fully working for a journal with a salary paid by the journal, or editors who are academic people only have as an extra duty, extra commitment, handling papers for a given journal. If you would like to hear more in detail about the structure of a specific journal, write it into the comments to this video. If you would like to hear more about these topics, please like this video, share this video with people that may be interested into that, and also subscribe to this channel Science Manuela. Finally, if you are an editor or a professional of the scientific publishing system and you would like to share your experience through this channel, get in touch sending me an email at sciencemanuela@gmail.com. Thank you very much, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye!